Hi guys, and welcome to Flows with Chris. Today I'm conducting an experiment that puts the OpenAI O1 model to the test within our flow engineering process. I'm going to compare it directly to ChatGPT 4.0. This is a really important step in advancing AI's ability to think, plan, and reason more effectively. Data scientists found out that if they use a prompt engineering technique known as chain of thought, it would increase the model's accuracy in planning. This allows large language models, LLMs, to reason through complex tasks before planning ahead and before delivering those answers. However, now with the new OpenAI O1, it takes it one step further by integrating reinforcement learning. Here, the model first creates its plan, then, as it is now trained to refine and reinforce that plan, it can enhance the reasoning process further before final output. This makes the system more thoughtful with a more refined output. The OpenAI O1 model has already been implemented into FlowHunt, our tool designed for workflow optimization, where it shines particularly well on complex tasks. And in this test today, we're comparing the classic GPT 4.0's capabilities in retrieval augmented generation, that's RAG, setup with our own new OpenAI O1 model. While GPT 4.0 functions like a traditional LLP model, the OpenAI O1 model brings an added layer of planning and reasoning through reinforcement. So let's check it out. Okay guys, so here I am in FlowHunt now. You can see I'm in my workspace, of course. I've got my chat input. I've got a very straightforward chatbot here. Chat output here as well. I've got a document widget on here which shows me exactly what document I'm using. I've got a prompt and my generator, and here I have my LLM model. And you can see on here that I've got my GPT 4.0 mini that I'm using here. And let's just ask a simple question now to my chatbot. So explain the architecture of the new O1 model by OpenAI. So let's have a look now at the first use case. So first of all, we're having a look at the model, and let's have a look at what's coming up here. Okay, cool. So we've got the architecture of OpenAI's new O1 model, specifically O1 preview reasoning model. We've got large-scale reinforcement learning algorithms, chain of thought reasoning that we spoke about before, interference-based training, scalability, etc. here. And look, we've got the reference. So this is the reference document that I'm using here, which explains all of what's going on at the moment. So this is a medium reference. So let's have a look now. Let's change the model now to our O1 mini, and let's try this out as well. Let's save the flow, and we're going to go back now into here, and we're going to ask the same question. So let's just copy that question here, and we'll just paste that straight back in again to our flow, and let's see where we go with this now. And we can compare then the answers now using the new O1 model on the same documentation. Here we go. It's thinking now, and so we're getting some more reasoning hopefully here, so we should get a little bit more of a better output here. So look, you can see here, this is the first one that we got, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we got a conclusion. But you see in the second lot here, we've actually got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, we've got 6. We've got another one, a bit of a more of a summary here, and you can see here, for instance, let's have a look in. Large-scale reinforcement learning. We've got the enhanced reasoning via chain of thought, and you can see it's starting to think a little bit more, and it's structuring this very much better indeed. So you can see that the difference already is pretty incredible. As you've seen, the results so far are pretty cool. OpenAI O1 provides even more structure and concise answers, indicating a promising future for this paradigm in intelligent LLMs. While it's not yet a full AI agent, as it still can't connect to tools, it's a big leap forward in reasoning capabilities. Thanks for watching the video today. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on Flows with Chris. Thanks.